Hello, I hope that you all are doing well. It has been a beautiful Saturday so far. We have been just working around the house and getting things done on the porch. Kyle washed the cars, just kind of having a relaxing Saturday afternoon. It's been so rainy this past week, and so today has been the first actual really pretty day, and so we're kind of just enjoying that, taking it slow. Yesterday me and my mom went to the greenhouse. There was this local greenhouse called Hunziker's greenhouse that I had never heard of before, and then somebody shared a video of it, and it was so pretty. I mean, it was obviously out there a little bit, we had to drive out in the country a little bit farther away than usual, but it was so worth it because the blooms were just, I mean, so pretty. I've never seen any greenhouse as bright and full as this one, and so it was just really sweet to be able to do that. That was kind of a spontaneous thing that we did yesterday because we went and had brunch at Farmhouse Harvest, and then we decided, hey, let's just go to this greenhouse. And I ended up talking to the owner, telling her how I started my own flower garden, and it's my first year planting flowers and everything. And she had told me that they had been there for 30 years. This year was their 30th year being open. So it was really sweet. Very excited. I got one little hanging basket to put on my porch. And yeah, so that's what we did yesterday. Today we're just gonna kind of chill, have a little day at home, but I'm very motivated and inspired to just catch up on chores, spring clean a little bit. I got a new candle, so I really like to light candles when the house is totally clean. I don't know, it just motivates me to clean the house. And so we're gonna do that, and we're just gonna kind of enjoy the slow Saturday spring days.